Right here on my screen, you can see this is the message that I have sent to my customer by creating a WhatsApp broadcast system using Pabbly Chatflow, so as to keep my customers engaged with value-based messages like tips, updates, and reminders without sounding salesy. In this video, I will show you how to build the system so your brand stays top of mind and customers keep coming back. Now, without any delay, let us start creating this WhatsApp broadcast system for ourselves inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, on the top right corner, you will get these two different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these credits, you can easily create some AI agents, broadcast, or WhatsApp chatbots inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, that too for free. But if your credits get expired, you can anytime get more credits by upgrading to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime access at Pabbly. And just for our YouTube viewers, we have this coupon code JAIYT available right in front of you. By using this coupon code, you can get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So what are you waiting? Just go and grab your subscription right now. But if you are already a Pabbly member, click on this sign in button and get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. In here, Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow. That's why you have to click on this access now button to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in order to access this particular column. Inside this, to add your WhatsApp number, just click on this button, add WhatsApp number, select any of these two different methods to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be available for you. In here, we have these following multiple features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any trouble while adding your WhatsApp number in here, then you can take help from the videos that I have added in the description box. After adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a broadcast for yourself, you have to click on this broadcast available on the left column. In here, you have to click on this. So this is our broadcast page. In here, to start creating a broadcast, you just have to click on this add broadcast button given here. So let us click on this button. Now inside this page, you can start creating your broadcast. First of all, we have to select the type of our broadcast. So as we want this broadcast campaign, so we will select this. Then we have to add the name of our broadcast. I will name my broadcast as this strengthen connection with your customer, because this is the exact same reason for which we are creating this broadcast today. After this, we have to select our contact list. So in here, we will select the contact list to which we want to send this particular broadcast. So from this drop down, I will select this new list contact list that I have created for myself. So I have selected my list. In here, you can select multiple contact list as well, or if you want to send this broadcast to all of your customer, you can also click on this select all contact list. Then all the contact list created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account will get selected here. Here I have selected my contact list. Now let me show you how you can create this contact list for yourself. So for that, I will just duplicate this page from here. Now you can see this dashboard is opened in front of us. So in here, we just have to click on this contacts given here and select it. In here, at first you have to add some contacts. So for that, just click on this add contacts button inside this page. If you want, you can also add single contacts one by one by adding their details, or if you want, you can also add contacts at bulk in once. In here, you can upload a CSV file with a 50 MB size limits, and you can add maximum of 2 lakh contacts at once inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. After uploading this CSV file, just click on this add contacts button and all those contacts will get added. After that, to create a list out of all those contacts, just click on this plus button in front of this contact list. You have to click on this. In here, give a name to your list, select the opted status, select the incoming status, and click on this add button. After that, your list will get added successfully inside our Pabbly Chatflow account, and then you can easily select this contact list inside this particular drop down. So you can see we have selected our contact list. Next, we have to move towards the select message type. In here, we have got these two different type of messages: pre-approved template message and regular message. To go with this pre-approved template message, we have to create a meta approved template and store it inside our Pabbly Chatflow account itself, so that we can send that particular message later to our customer. But inside this regular message, if you want, you can directly add the message which you want to send to your customer and send it to them. But this time, as I have already created a template for myself, that's why I will go with this pre-approved template message. Now from this select WhatsApp template, we have to click on this to select our template message. This is the template message, customer value message that I have created and which I want to send to my customers. In here you can see I have written this text, hi name, just dropping in with some useful, and inside this box I will add tip. We will keep sharing tips and updates like this to make your experience better. Have a great day, team Urban Cart. So this is the template that I have created. Inside this template I have created two dynamic fields. First one is this name and the second one is this tip. Now we have to add details inside this body field. First of all, for this body field 1, just in front of this name I will add this $sign. So this will convert it into a name contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customer. From now onward, whenever this message will get sent to my customer, automatically WhatsApp chatbot will capture their name and it will display them their own name. Now inside this body field 2, we have to add a tip which we want to send to our customer. So in here I will add this tip, store your cotton clothes in breathable bags to keep them fresh longer. I have added this tip also. Now I just have to click on this done button and you will see that here my template is added successfully. Now let me show you how you can create this template also for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, just go inside this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here to start creating a template, you just have to select this template and go on this template list. In here, this is the page where all the templates that I create get stored. Now to create a new template, we just have to click on this add template button available on the right side. If you want, you can also create your template by taking help from AI. But as I want to create my template all by myself, that's why I will select this add template. In here, we can start creating our template. First of all, we have to select the category of our template. Inside this drop down, we have got these 3 different type of categories: marketing, utility, and authentication. So you have to select your category as per your requirement. So as I want to create this template for marketing, that's why I will select this marketing as my category. After that, we have to give a meaningful name to our template. So inside this template name, there is some conditions. Like here this text is written, name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. Here this example is also given to us which we can use as our name of our template. So I will just copy this text from here and paste it inside the box. Here you can see this name is added successfully. Next we have to select the language for our template. So if you want, you can select any other language, but I will select this English as my language. After that, we have to select the variable type. This variable is actually dynamic field that I had created and shown you while selecting my template. In here, we can select 2 type of variables like name or number. The template that I have shown you, there I have selected that number as my variable. So in here also, I will select this number, but if you want, you can also select the name as your variable. After that, we have to select this template type. In here, for this template type, we have these following multiple options. You can select any one of them as per your preference. After selecting this template type, we have to start creating our template. Inside this template, there are 3 things: template header, template format, and template footer. So this template header and footer are optional. If you want, you can add them or you can also skip them. Now inside this header, I will add this text hello, and then you can see this is how my header of my template will look. Inside this format, we have to add the main body of our template, and this is the place where we will create dynamic fields. For this template format also, here this example is written, so we just have to copy this example from here and paste it inside this box. And you can see these are the number variables that I have selected, and as soon as I have added this number variables, these 2 different dynamic fields have got created successfully inside my template. As per my requirements, I can add whatever text inside this box to make me remind that why I had created this dynamic fields, and you cannot leave this sample value empty. So for this first value, I will type down this name, and for this second value, I will type down this date. And here you can see these following dynamic fields have got changed successfully. Hello name, your code will expire in date minutes. I have added this also. Now for this footer also, if you want, you can add text inside this box, but if you want, you can also skip this. Here I have added this footer as by, and inside this template, you can see this is how my footer will look to my customers. After that, we have to select among these interactive actions. For this, we have got these 4 different type of actions: none, call to actions, quick reply, or all. If you will select this call to actions, then in here you can add some call to action buttons. Like if you want, you can add the link of your website inside this static URL box. Then inside this title box, you can add the text for a customer so that your customer can click on the button to access your website. And if you want, you can also add the phone number if you want your customer to call you. For this quick reply, in here we can add some options for my customers to reply to us. So inside this box, if I will type down this text, yes, you can see here this quick reply button is ready for our customer to select and reply to me. After that, if you want to select any of these interactive actions, select them, or if you do not want to select any one of them, just click on this none and press this submit button. After that, this template will go under approval by Meta, and Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your templates. And once your template is approved, you can use this template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account and you can send it to any of your customers. So I have also explained you how to create this template. So now let us go back and finish our broadcast. In here, we have already selected our template. So now we just have to test if this WhatsApp broadcast looks proper or not. For that, in here, we have to add the name of our user, and then in here, we have to add their mobile number and just click on this send test message button. After that, the number that you will add here, on that number, this broadcast will get sent successfully. So let me add my number. After adding my number, I clicked on this send text message, and inside my WhatsApp account, you can see this new message got delivered successfully. This means that the broadcast that we are creating is working all fine till now. Next, we just have to schedule this broadcast. So for this, we have got these 2 different options: yes, schedule for later, or no, send instantly. If you want to send your broadcast instantly, then you have to click on this no button and press this add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule your broadcast for later, click on this yes button. Then from here, you can also select the date and time on which you want to send this broadcast. So from this calendar, I will select my date as this 31st of March, and I will select my time as this 6 p.m. I have to click on this OK button. Here my date and time are added. Now as soon as I will click on this add broadcast button, you will see instantly my broadcast is created successfully. Here this is scheduled successfully for this date 31st of March 2026 at 6 p.m. So this is how you can create a broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a broadcast for yourself, how you can create a contact list, and also how you can create a template for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. That's it for this video. Just a quick reminder at end that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT, also available in the description box. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.